Hey, thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the content you've created in PowerPoint or Canva.com and import that to your LED sign software and then uploading that content to your sign. So let's say, for example, in this case, we've made this ad in PowerPoint and then we are going to export this ad from PowerPoint to our LED sign. I'm going to show you how to do that, the formats you should be using, and then how to import it and then upload it, right? If you were doing this on Canva.com, the process would be similar. You would make your ads, you would save it in the correct format to download it to your PC, and then as far as uploading it to the sign, that part of the process would be the same. Okay, so once you've created your ad, what you want to do is you want to go up to File, and then you want to save your ad. So you can either save as a PPT, which the software will take. It'll also support your PPTX. But instead of using the PowerPoint formats, I prefer saving it as a video file. So that way the software doesn't have to convert that PowerPoint into a video, which it then sends to the signs. I like to just forego that step, create the video right here in PowerPoint. Then I take that video file and then export to my sign. So to export that video file to your sign, you want to go to File. If you haven't saved your presentation yet, you may have Save As. I've saved this before, so I have Save a Copy. So I'll go Save a Copy here, but you may see Save As. Then you want to select the location where you're going to save your file. In my case, I'm going to save it to my desktop. So we're going to save it there. And then you also want to change the format, right? So we're going to change the format to MP4, which is the format that I want. And again, I said I'm putting this to my desktop, so we're going to the desktop. We're going to hit save. I already have that video file made there, so let me go ahead and change that. Okay, so I'll just call it create number 2, and then we'll go ahead and hit save. And if you look at your PowerPoint presentation there, you'll see where it says video exported. So the next step is, if you're using XM Player, then you want to go into XM Player. You want to treat it the same way you would like a regular video. If you were using Vplex or another program, the process would be the same as how you would import a video. You go to your solutions, you add a file, and then you import the video into that file. In this case, I'm using XM Player, so I'm going to go ahead and add a program page. On my program page, I'm going to add a file window. So again, very similar. We're going to go to Add File, and then go to my desktop. And the file I'm looking for is that create file I made. So you can see right there, create number 2. We'll go open. Then we should be able to see our video on our preview here, and then we can go ahead and make that video full screen. Okay, perfect. And to make it full screen, we could right click on the video, go to size, and then make that full screen. Once we're done, then we would go to File, Send Current Program, and then follow the prompts to upload the content to the sign. So again, you can use PowerPoint or you can use Canva.com to make more creative content for your sign. And then once you're done, save those files as an MP4, then import that MP4 file into your software, then go ahead and push it to the sign. The sign also supports the PPT if you're using PowerPoint, PPT, and PPTX, but I would recommend saving it as an MP4, so that way it's already a video, it's exactly how you want it to look, and then once you confirm that the video is playing perfectly, then you don't have to worry about the software doing a second conversion to then make it work on your sign, right? All right, so if you have any other questions, you can reach out to us at ledsigncity.com. Thank you.